Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a stunning royal blue kurti designs for day 4 of Navratri, that is on 18 October. Welcome to the day 4 of Navratri. In this video, we have got something special for you, a mesmerizing showcase of royal blue kurti designs. These elegant and vibrant kurtis are perfect for celebrating this auspicious occasion in style. Join us as we explore a range of simple yet exquisite royal blue kurti designs that are perfect for Navratri. Whether you are looking for inspiration for your Navratri outfits or just appreciate the beauty of traditional Indian fashion, this video is sure to delight you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive fashion inspiration throughout the Navratri season. Stay tuned for more stunning outfit ideas and celebrate Navratri with grace and elegance. Happy Navratri! If you like this beautiful collection, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take a very good care of yourself. Have a great day. Bye bye.